Hey plant family, let me be real. If your peace lily is just yellow or just avoid blooming, that's not your fault. These plants are very picky about their food. And in this video, I'm just gonna exactly tell you what nutrition they need to thrive. Okay, at first we will talk about 3 nutrients that your peace lily absolutely needs. Without these nutrients, your peace lily might just stop growing, blooming, or can't even being green. But since you just nailed this video, you will see that your peace lily is much more happier and healthier. And after that, we will talk about 3 boosters that can help you give more shine to your peace lily. Number 1, phosphorus. If your peace lily isn't blooming, it just needs phosphorus to just kickstart blooming. You can use bloom boosters. Just look for 10-30-10 in label, and you have to be able to see the flowers just shaping in about 6 to 4 weeks, and you can use it during the spring and fall. Number 2, nitrogen. Nitrogen is your plant's best friend when its leaves turns yellow. This would help your plant just start growing green leaves and just give it more strength. To use it, try balanced liquid fertilizer like 10-10-10, and you have to use it every 4 weeks during the summer and spring. And you have to probably see your plants just leaves are looking better after 4 to 6 weeks. Number 3, potassium. Brown leaf edges means that your plant needs potassium to strengthen its stem and just reduce the stress. Fix it with balanced fertilizer and apply it every 4 weeks year round. You have to probably see its effect about 4 to 6 weeks. Now let's talk about some optional boosters. If your plant is still struggling with just keeping green leaves or just blooming, you can use these optional boosters and this would help you to give more shine and fix every problem that your plant might have. Number 1, magnesium. If your peace lilies leaves are getting brown between their veins, it's because of magnesium. You can apply it to them, and after a couple of weeks you can see that they are restoring their green color, and it's really awesome. Number 2, calcium. Weak dropping stems means that your plant needs calcium. This will strengthen its cell walls and give it a sturdier stem and better structure. And number 3, micronutrition. Pale and oddly leaves means that your plant might need some micronutrients like iron or zinc. You can just spray it to your plant once a year, and this will fix very small issues that your plant might have. Before finishing this video, there's a pro tip that I want to tell you. If your peace lily shows burnt leaves or just there you can see some white crust on the soil, it's because of it's getting too much fertilizer. To fix this, run water for 5 minutes on the soil of your plant, and this will just flush out excess fertilizers and just avoid giving it any fertilizer for 8 weeks. And this was for today's video. If you find this video, please hit the like button, and we are planning for our next videos. One of them is about how to make homemade fertilizers for peace lily, and the other one is about how to give fertilizers to the peace lilies. Please let us know which one you prefer us to create for you. Have a nice day. Goodbye.